What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to write a review on Tripadvisor.com, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. We are doing daily uploads, 20 plus tutorials every single day, so make sure to check them out if you need any additional help. And also, if we did not cover some topics, make sure to write down in the comment section below any our tutorial. We are reading those comments constantly and we are gonna see your question, and in the short term and short notice we are gonna answer it for you. So we are gonna do a video basically. So how to write a review. So I did not have any bookings or whatsoever, so let me just find a hotel. So go to Discover, Traveler's Choice, Hotel. Let me just find one over here. So let's say I want to write a review. I was over here. So how to write a review exactly? So basically this is a hotel page. So this is what booking looks like. So basically you're doing whatever you need to do to make a booking over here, but you want to write a review. You just need to scroll down until you find the reviews of this hotel. So how can you do it exactly? Just go to the to the top of the reviews. As you can see, we are having write a review. We are having write a review, post a photo, or ask a question. Just press write a review. So as you can see, how would you rate your experience? When did you go? Who did you go with? And write a review. You can even title your review and add some photos and just press submit a review. So let's repeat this process. So when you find when you're on a hotel page or destination page, whatever that you want to write a review, just scroll down until you come up with the reviews, and just scroll upwards a bit until you find the review statistics, and just press on write a review. And as you can see, as easy as it gets. So hopefully guys, this video helped you a bit, so thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Again guys, thank you for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.